Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini. Welcome to our channel Evolve with English. Does your fan make noises? If so, then it must be a relative of the talking fan, which we are going to learn through the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan by Maude Rubin from Class 7th English Honeycomb. Before getting started, let's read the poem once. Mystery of the Talking Fan. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery spoiled. He ran as still as water. Maude Rubin. So, the poem starts with personification. Now, what is personification? Personification is the figure of speech where we, we give the attributes or qualities of a human being or living being to a non-living thing. Here, the fan, which is non-living thing, is given the attributions or qualities like talking and chatter. These are humanly qualities, chattering and talking. So, here the poet uses personification. It personifies the fan as talking being. The first two lines, the poet says, once there was a talking fan, electrical was his chatter. Means, once there was a fan who is making electrical noises. In the first two lines, the poet says, once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. Here, the poet described the noise of fan as chatter, and he refers this fan as talking fan. In the next line, the poet says, I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Then she tried to hear what the fan is saying, but he could not understand what he was saying. But it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. So, but it does not matter. Why? Because somebody has put oil into its motor so that its noise could stop, and all the mystery spoiled. He ran as still as water. Ever since the motor was oiled, it ran as smoothly, as still as water. Means it stopped making noises. So here the poet wished to solve the mystery of talking fan. The poetess was so eager to solve this mystery, but all the mystery was spoiled because somebody has put the oil into the motor of the fan and the noises or the chatter stopped. Here, the mystery of talking fan was solved on its own. So, this was a little poem by Maude Rubin, Mystery of the Talking Fan. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.